So I was online watching YouTube, and this channel, Nicole Grows, was repurposing her bookshelf into a flower bed. And I remembered that I had one, and so she inspired me to put some plants in it. And so I'm putting this ginger root right here in the corner. I'm hoping this is a good spot for her to get some sun. I know that I'm gonna have to stake her because her leaves are falling over. But I'm in zone 6, and so it's starting to warm up. I know this would be a good spot for her, plenty of room. So I'm gonna gently try and get her out of this pot where I've had her indoors all this time in some real heat. Ah, look at the roots. Oh yeah. I hope they stay healthy. Let's get her in. Get her situated. Tie her up to that stake. Get the dirt around real good. Give her that solid home that she needs. Foundation is first. She's gonna need some fresh dirt. Pat her down. That's it for right now. All right, people. Inspire self-discovery, empowerment, and happiness. Take the challenge. Go to that place with no distractions. Welcome to my world. Thank you for watching. Shalawam, Thawada. Thank you.